Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Since October is the month of breast cancer awareness, we'll be talking about it in detail, its prevention and support. And towards the end of the video, I will also tell in detail how to self-examine your breast. So this manicure is dedicated to Pink October to spread breast cancer awareness. It says let's beat breast cancer together. And yes, we can actually beat it by taking few precautions from our side and lowering its risk factors. Breast cancer is the most common type of cancer found in women. Although more prevalent in women, breast cancer can also affect men. 1 in 8 women are diagnosed with breast cancer during their lifetime. To reduce your risk of breast cancer, maintain a healthy lifestyle, exercise regularly, and follow all these steps. As per research, women who consume 2 to 3 drinks or more per day have 20% higher risk of breast cancer. Overweight or obese women have a higher breast cancer risk, especially after menopause, when most of the women's estrogen comes from fat tissue. This leads to higher estrogen levels, which can increase the risk for breast cancer. It is best to consume highly plant-dominated diet. Eat lots of seasonal fruits and vegetables. Replace animal fat with polyunsaturated fats. Also avoid oily and processed foods as much as you can. In short, just eat healthy and exercise daily. Inactivity can raise the breast cancer risk. Engage yourself in a healthy routine including at least 150 minutes moderate exercise. Try running, cycling or even yoga at home. Studies have shown that breastfeeding, especially for more than 18 months, can reduce breast cancer risk in women. Hormone replacement therapies with high estrogen levels can increase breast cancer risk, so avoid those. Try and avoid exposure to radiation and environmental pollution if you can. Research shows that there is a less chance of breast cancer in women who have children before the age of 28. Birth control pills with high estrogen levels increases the risk factor for breast cancer in women. And last but not the least, regular breast self-examination every month is very important, especially before and after your periods. Symptoms of breast cancer may include a lump in the breast, a change in color, size or shape of the breast, or discharge from a nipple. There are these 3 easy self-examination steps to follow. 1. Start by standing straight in front of the mirror. Check visually for any change in size of the breast, any bulges or dimplings on the breast, change in color of breast, nipple retraction or any kind of changes in nipple. 2. After visual examination, use your hands to physically examine your breasts. Start feeling from your neck portion and under your armpit and gradually feel your breast with both your hands using up and down motion and circular motions. Look for any lumps or dimplings or any mass in the breast or discharge from nipples. Also look for any pain while applying mild, moderate and firm pressure to your breast. Continue the same examination like in step 2 in lying down position as well. If you see any irregularities in the breast or the area around it or any symptoms, immediately consult with your leading physician, gynecologist and oncologist. Early diagnosis of breast cancer has 100% survival rates. So, don't be afraid of breast cancer. Remember, early detection is the best protection. So, check yourself regularly every month and eat healthy, exercise regularly and take care of yourself. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload any new video. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So guys, stay safe at home, eat healthy, drink healthy and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.